welcome back to day 2. We're on the tour bus now. We're on this yesterday, but we didn't get off yesterday, so we're going to go around downtown again and get off this time and look around. But we went to this lovely cafe again. It was called By Chloe, and there's second in row, and it was really good. So we're on this tour bus now, and we're going to go look around. Yeah. Okay, so we just had something to eat in a little cafe. I had this vegan banana bread, which is so good, and now we're going to go to the Guggenheim and the Met and see what they're like. We're in Central Park at the minute, and yeah, it's amazing. Really exciting. Guys, so we finished up in the Met, and I'm still doing a little dance. And yeah, it was amazing. I love the Met. Like 100% recommend going, because it's literally stuff from everywhere, like everywhere. I really like the what's it called, them houses, them rooms, the vintage chairs and stuff. That'd be Renaissance? No. Yeah. Oh yeah, well they were really cool. But my legs are literally killing now, and we're fully in like Central Park. If you can see, like behind me, all the yeah, we're pretty lost actually, because we don't know where we're going, but we're just adventuring around the place and seeing where we go. Okay, so we're just in from the restaurant now. My feet are so sore. It was alright. It wasn't worth the price tag of it, but I mean, I enjoyed it because I just had salad for starter. It was like I had like a chickpea salad. No, was it rice with like olives and some sort of dressing, and then there was a butternut squash one. Yeah, it was really nice. I was saying that before my camera cut me off. We finished up there and then we walked back through Times Square. Oh my god, you guys, Times Square is so crazy. Like, it's so busy all the time. Yeah, it's like you get trampled there like so easily. Like, people are banging into you, people are trying to take pictures and like walking back into you, and it's like really annoying. Personally, on a DL kind of level, I don't like Times Square. I hate it. It's too busy, it's too much people. People like accidentally make eye contact with you, and it's like, oh no, I don't like it. But yeah, other than that, like, it was a really nice night. I had a really good time, and I'll see you guys in the morning.
And then you just hand that back to James. You're amazing. Okay, so that goes, yeah, perfect. And then kind of faster at the end. Oh my gosh! Seriously,
Hey guys, so we're back from our thrift shopping excursion. It was really good. What's the lady's name on again? Sammy. So if you're in New York and you want to do like an amazing thrift shopping thing, hit her up. It's on Airbnb experience, which was really good. I really enjoyed it. I got myself a load of new things, which I'll be gonna haul on when I get back. And yeah, she's done like so many amazing things. She's done YouTube, she's like, oh, like she's been a stylist, she's worked in fashion. Oh my gosh, she's done so much stuff, which is really amazing. And yeah, it was really good. And we met another lovely lady named Madison, and she, like, they're like more experienced thrifters now than we are. Like, I mean, this is my first time doing like thrift shopping, but it was amazing. If I lived here, I'd definitely do it all the time because you actually find some really amazing things. And there was more, it was one that was more expensive that I went to that had like more designer kind of stuff, and like it was, if you're looking for designer clothes, it's really affordable, but like if you were just looking for bits and bobs, like, you know, to buy, then it's expensive. But yeah, it was really good, and I'll show you again when I get back. Okay, so we were going to go on to the top of the rock, but we're not going to do that anymore because the next thing up is like at 8:30 and it's only like 5:30 now, so we're not waiting around for 3 hours. So we're going to go to Pt.Two instead, which is really exciting. And we're in a taxi now. Can I say hi, Mum? It's really exciting, and they have a Rihanna one, so I'm really excited about that. But yeah, see when we get there. Hey guys, so we're in Pt.Two now. I had to get new shoes because my feet were actually like killed. So we're here and I'm in a much better mood now, so we'll see all these wax figure celebrities and see how it goes. Mum has my glass of wine because he wouldn't give her one because she didn't have her ID. Hey, hold on, there's no time on this. This is important. When are you in there? Oh, I thought that was a security guard. Oh, she full on like it's blinking. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like this. Through here now. I have not seen Rihanna yet, and I'm getting really mad. I want to see Rihanna so badly. Oh wait, I'm not supposed to see. I've ever been to Olive Garden, 100% recommend the breadsticks because they're so good. Like heaven. Which one? Okay guys, so it's our last day in New York now, and oh sorry, the line's really bad. We're in Macy's because we're trying to spend the last of the dollars we have, because there's no point bringing it back home with us. And yeah. I got such a good salad. It's like these are sauteed kale and like chickpeas. This is tofu. This is mushrooms, quinoa at the bottom, and tomatoes. It is like really good. But yeah, we finished up. Are we finished shopping now? No. Well, we've done a good bit of shopping. I've got a new t-shirt, new hoodie, new pair of jeans. Didn't have my size, the other ones, which is really annoying. But yeah, so we're gonna do some more now, and then we have to go and get our thing back to the airport for 10 o'clock flight. Vegan, what's it called? Cinnamon swirl donut thing. So good. How do you think of it, Mum?
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous, yeah. Mum's not vegan, just so you know. And then I got a pistachio one in there, and a raspberry cheesecake one. And I'm gonna have them like on the plane, because I don't have them now because I want to save them for the plane. Let's wait for our taxi. Oh, look at as well.
Once again, 1866 335 2007 or